Linkor Kapatisi TV. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Composite Regional Center for Skill Development, Rehabilitation and Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities Shillong, Hakar Punyotrik Unailar Arajar Apusan. Klai Tiar Jingïarap, Chigibrig Branjing Duna Dkhotmet, Hagajingalang, Kablalong, State Central Library Shillong. Hagajing Sami Jingïarap, Badyakini Ramaya Health Insurance Card, Lasta Kilang, Domentri Gatana Social Welfare Kasorka Jilla Bapo Lingdo, Ublalong Kumukangsan, Haringkat Gajinalang Jong Commissioner and Secretary for Person with Disabilities, Suba Linkor Kinjing, Director Jangatana Social Welfare Kakong Camelia Dorin Lingwa, Deputy Commissioner for Person with Disabilities Kakong Brigade Washong, Additional Deputy Commissioner Ka East Khasi Hills Kong Dali Kinti Kharchi Ying, Director Composite Regional Center for Skill Development, Rehabilitation and Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities Shillong, Dr. Ram Shalal Sahani Batkiwe.
I stand here on my own behalf and more especially on behalf of the state government of Meghalaya to share with you that the state government is fully committed to the welfare, the well-being, the growth of persons with disabilities, our commitment to sustain an ecosystem that treats you as special members of the community, treats you with empathy, love, and care. There was a favorite song, a Christian hymn, which Gandhi loved, and it started by saying, "Lead kindly light amidst the encircling gloom. Lead thou me on." And I think that spirit has continued to ignite the path of each of us who are here working entirely for the welfare of the differently able. It puzzles me to think that some of the most celebrated names in the history of mankind have been persons born with different kinds of disabilities. There was a girl who turned blind and deaf which was barely 19 months old. But blindness did not stop her from having a vision. Deafness did not stop her from hearing the cries of agony of the differently able. She overcame what would have been a crippling combination of blindness and deafness, fought for the right of the disabled, wrote several books, became a guest lecturer welcomed across the world, an activist who the world celebrates today as Helen Keller. The challenge is that if somebody without eyesight has vision, how many of us with proper eyesight have vision? The challenge is somebody like her was deaf and heard the cries of the distressed in agony. How many of us with proper hearing can even give 2 minutes of attention other than something that concerns your own self? The world will not forget Beethoven, born with severe disabilities, whose music still lives even after several centuries. The world will not forget Stevie Wonder, who created masterpieces in music despite turning blind at the age of 2. The world will forever be confounded by the writings of Stephen Hawking. Therefore, my message to all of us here today is to treat our Divyanjan family not just with a show of sympathy, but more importantly, they need our empathy. We need to internalize the problems that they are confronted with and do something about it in our own small ways. We all can make a difference to this world. I'm happy to say that our department has been proactively engaged with the 5 ministries which Comdoreen has mentioned. And one of those is the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Today, I'd like to share the happy news with you that just 2 weeks back, the Chief Minister, our Honorable Chief Minister, and I had met the Union Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment, Dr. Vijendra Kumar, to pursue certain proposals which were pending with the ministry. And we're happy to announce here that things are moving very fast. We have proposed and will soon allot 10 acres of land at New Shillong for a permanent building of the CRC. Out of this, 2 acres has been earmarked for the Office of the Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities for better and closer collaboration with the CRC. The disabled stadium has taken a definite shape. It's a 200 plus crore project, and we look forward to seeing that persons with various disabilities will also be able to make use of this sports stadium meant especially for them, and especially in view of the national games scheduled to be held in Meghalaya in 2027. Once again, I assure and give you my firm commitment that the state government is very supportive of the idea of encouraging persons with disabilities. We have just seen them performing, dancing, singing. We will also link these artistic activities with our CMG MP, the music program of the government of Meghalaya, and provide them with a platform where they can showcase their various talents and abilities. So, with today's program, I'd like to urge those various groups, one of them, Eastern Group. I'm happy to learn that they've even written their own original music. A lot of us with who can hear properly and listen to music have not written a single line of music. So I think they deserve a round of applause for the special gift they have, and we can show to the rest of the world the kind of vocal range that they displayed, the harmony, the correct tempo, the cadence, all of these are indicative of a talent that can and should not be buried underground. Friends, once again, my profound wishes to all of you on this occasion of Purple Fair 2025. And as we move to other parts of the state, I reaffirm that Meghalaya stands by you, for you, and with you.
And lastly,
Turn this way. You come this side. Right. Well done. Well done.
Lên Tiar bên Duna khi trái khi không khi phải chỉ bên
Now, original.
Museum. So these are my friends, and the name of our band is It's a Good Band. So now we are going to perform our original song, Wilayah Disability Anthem song. Hope you guys will like it. Good.
Sakyan cholak may pangaiwan na. Hong hát sông và đồng là người hát sang lên sao đông nhớ sự cạn hồi hát sông và đồng yêu sao yêu sao yêu nhìn phía chân tha và lòng sang trên lòng ôm qua